Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything, and today we are going to do unboxing and the review of this 4-port USB charger. And guys, I bought it from Banggood because it was a really good deal. I bought it for rupees 800, and yeah, it is actually pretty good. So let's get started. And guys, I thought let's do a review of this because it is actually pretty reasonable because 800 900 rupees. The multi-charger is actually a big deal. So guys, as you can see at the front of the box, it's just little information, and it says LED touch lamp with USB port charger. So we also have a LED around it and a button to just control it. We'll see about that. And yeah, it has 4 port of max amps of one, I think 4.4 amps. So yeah, and they are actually automatic, and it just gives you some information. And guys, now let's just take it out quickly. So let me just take it out, and yeah, here it is. And actually initial impression I actually like, because in terms of the looks, it looks pretty good. So just let me just take it out. And yeah, not the best unboxing experience. And guys, we also have this Indian adapter that you can use if you want. Yeah, absolutely, you need it actually. So yeah, we also do have it, so it's good thing they are bundling that. And as you can see, the output is 5 volts at 4.4 amps, which is automatic. So if you have connected only one device, then it will give it the max amps. Like if it wants 1.52 amps, then it will give it that. So yeah, they are automatic ports. And yeah guys, as you can see, in terms of the build quality and looks, I think it is actually really good in terms of the looks, as it have LED. And yeah, without LED it also looking actually pretty good, but the LED is actually really good enhancement, I have to say. And guys, in terms of the build quality, this is not the best build quality that I've seen, but yeah, considering the price point of this charger, the build quality is not that bad. It is actually pretty good, I have to say. Yeah, it is totally made up of plastic, but then also the plastic is actually not that cheap or whatever you call it. But yeah, in terms of the build quality, it is actually pretty good. And yeah guys, as you can see, we also have the LED around it, which is a really good enhancement, I have to say. And it actually looks pretty good, and you can just control the LED by just tap and holding the touch button at the top. As you can see, you can just increase or decrease it by just holding it, and actually it is pretty easy to do it. And yeah, so it is pretty good. They are actually giving you right to control it. Guys, in the dark, it actually looks pretty good. Let me just turn off light for you. And guys, as you can see, it in the dark, it just looks more beautiful, and you can just use it as a night bulb as well. So yeah. And guys, these are actually the good thing about this charger. And now let's just talk about some of the bad things. And guys, the bad thing is that it does not support fast charging. Then it could be the deal breaker for some of you guys, because if your phone supports fast charging and this does not, then it could be the deal breaker for you. But in this price point, I don't think so you will get a fast charging. So yeah, it does not support fast charging. And guys, the second one is that the LED light is not RGB. So if it's RGB, then it could be much better, that you will get some colors and all that stuff, but it is actually white. So yeah, that is it is. If it's RGB, then it could be much better. And the last one is the build quality. And guys, as I've told you, the build quality is not that bad. It is actually pretty good, but if it's drop or something like that, then anything could be happened, so you have to be aware of that a little bit. But yeah, build quality is not that bad. It is actually average, I have to say. So guys, this is for this video now, and if you want to just buy, then I'll have the link in the description below. You can just go to the link. And guys, one thing more, I haven't paid any custom duties for it, so that's a pretty good thing. So I think you will also get that what do you say, plus point. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what you do. But if you like, then get subscribed, guys. Hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really helpful if you do that. So yeah, goodbye, peace. And guys, please hit that subscribe button. Goodbye, see you later.